Moving forward, understanding, putting the past behind. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very powerful phrase, putting the past behind. This expression is not only common in everyday conversations but also holds a deep meaning about personal growth and moving forward. Stay with us as we break down its meaning, usage, and how it can inspire us in our daily lives. Putting the past behind is an idiomatic expression that means to stop letting your previous experiences, mistakes, or failures affect your current life. It's about letting go of what has happened and focusing on the present and future. This phrase encapsulates the idea of forgiveness, acceptance, and growth. To truly grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some examples. After years of regretting his mistakes, he finally decided it was time to put the past behind and start a new chapter in his life. She knew that to move forward with her life, she had to put the past behind. There was no use dwelling on what could not be changed. These examples show how the phrase can be used in sentences to express a deliberate decision to move on from past experiences. Putting the past behind is crucial for personal growth. It allows individuals to release emotional baggage that may be holding them back, open up to new experiences and opportunities without being weighed down by past failures, focus on the present and plan for the future with a clear mind. Embracing this mindset is a step towards healing and self-improvement, showing that we have the power to shape our own destinies despite our previous setbacks. Putting the past behind is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy for living a healthier, happier life. By understanding and applying this concept, we learn not to let our past dictate our future. We hope this video has given you insight into the power of moving forward and how you can apply it to your own life. Remember, it's never too late to start anew and make the most out of the present and future. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.